Hi guys, today we are going to see how can we install Django, latest version of Django in our PC. Okay, so let's get started. For Django installing, we need to go to our command prompt first, and in this command prompt we are going to check if we have Python or not. Okay, so for check Python is there in our system, we can use this command, Python version. So I have Python 3.9.2. so why Python? For installing Django we need Python. Okay, Django is purely made up of Python code, so we need at least Python 3 for installing latest version of Django. So I have Python 3.9.2. so you don't have Python, don't panic, we go to Chrome, any other web browser you prefer. So just type Python, and here you can see python.org, it's their official website. In there you can see downloads. From that you can get the latest version of Python. Okay, see the latest version 3.9.7. okay, so after downloading and installing it, you can check whether it is there or not by using the Python version command. Okay, for installing Django we need a special environment called virtual environment. Okay, so to get that virtual environment we need to type another command. First I will choose my directory, so you can choose D or C. I'm choosing here E. So in my directory I have an empty folder called project1. Okay, so I'm going into that project1. In this file we are going to create a virtual environment. So I'm installing virtual environment first. So in my case I have already installed virtual environment, so that's why it's showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, so in your case it will automatically download after you put this command. So I'm going to create an virtual environment in my project1 folder. So you can name anything. Okay, I'm using dummy environment. Okay, so you can see in my empty folder there is a folder. Okay, there is a dummy environment. So we have successfully created our environment. Okay, so now we need to get into that environment for installing Django. Okay, I'm inside our environment. So and another command I need to type. This is for activating that dummy environment or virtual environment. Okay, after activating you can see this, we are inside this environment. Okay, so we can successfully download our Django and we can do our project in that. So why virtual environment? Django needs an environment which we can create our project. If you want to change the project to another system, we can just change this environment to that system. Okay, we can change it easily. So for installing Django, you can type this command. System will automatically find the Django and install it for you. Okay, it will take some time, don't worry. See, the latest version of Django is downloading. Okay, all done. So we have installed Django. To make sure we have Django, we can type this command. See, these are the commands which we can use in Django admin. So we have Django, yes. So we have installed our Django in our system. We check the Django files. You can see here also the Django files. Here there is